I know you've been waiting on an update on your block. Which block is it? We're going to get into this video right now, and you can tell me if you see your property right here at Portridge Estate. Alright, so it has been a while since you've given an update on this property. So today we're here at Portridge Estates just to give you another drone update on the development, to show you guys what has been happening in terms of the progress. So we're going to be looking at the two blocks at the end that's being worked on right now, which is block E and F, as well as they should be working on the recreational area as well. So we're going to be giving a regular drone shot for this development. One thing I can tell you though is that the entrance has been sorted. As you can see right there in the background, it's now looking like what it is supposed to look like, as well as you have paved road accessing the property. All right, so you guys can take a look at that as well, because work is still going on here at Portridge Estate. So guys, we're going to be flying the drone right now so you can see all the improvements, all the updates of this development, the structure that have been gone up. For those who have already paid and you're waiting on your unit to be handed over, from this video you will be able to see exactly where your unit is. All right, so I'm going to jump right into that, and then we'll catch you guys on the other side of this shot. So remember what you need to do: like, share and subscribe, and we'll continue to provide you guys with the updates. guys, so there you have it. Another drone update from ChriSamz Properties on Port Ridge Estate. As you can see, the work is still going on fine. As you can see, the pool has been constructed, the courts are being sorted, and before you know it, somebody will be playing some tennis, some basketball, or somebody will be swimming and making memories at this development. So guys, for those who have been asking for the updates, I hope from this one you'll be able to see where your unit is in terms of the progress being made by the developers, and I hope that the deadline that is given will be met. Alright, so guys, as always, a pleasure giving an update on these developments, and we'll be back bigger, better, with more updates. I won't go into details what it is that we have planned, but I promise you that if you stick around to this channel, you will not be disappointed. So guys, it's peace out from Chris today at Port Ridge Estate, and as always, ChriSamz Properties for your update. See you guys in another video.